How's it, guys? Welcome back to another live trading session today. And in this session, I will be going over the most important charts that we're going to be looking at today. So mainly just Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then I will be going over a couple other things like meme coins and the TON ecosystem. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff I want to cover in the session today. So make sure you guys do join until the end because there will be some live trading setups that I am going to be speaking about. And obviously, looking at the market right now, we are looking quite bearish. So I want to speak about that first, and then we will be going into some meme coin trading, and then also how bullish I am on the TON ecosystem. Okay, so let's first speak about what's happening with Bitcoin, and obviously the war with Israel and Iran. Okay, so when looking at the Bitcoin chart, we were obviously trading within this range, right? So Bitcoin was trading within the symmetrical triangle. We had two fake outs to the upside over here. So that was the first fake out, right? And then when we came straight back down here, we had another fake out over here, okay? And then throughout this weekend, actually on Friday, Saturday, we had a massive dump over here back down to 60K, and it tapped into the exactly 60K over here, which is also your 200-day moving average, okay? So the reason why I'm still bearish here, guys, is because looking at the chart right now, you can see how price came straight back up to this level over here, this trend line, and then we're getting rejected straight away. So I actually did post this in my Twitter this morning, right? So if you guys do follow me on Twitter, I said I was speaking about this setup, okay? So this setup over here, you can see I posted this morning. I said, check out my analysis on Bitcoin. And essentially, I took a short from this level right over here. Okay, so you can see that we are currently short on Bitcoin from this level at 66,600, around about those areas. And I will be looking to take profit at around about 64,800, even a bit lower than that, depending on how the market's looking. But right now, the market's still looking quite bearish here. So I do think that Bitcoin will most likely take out these lows. We could even see another dump back down to these levels, but we'll see what happens. And I was also looking at a short for Ethereum because you can see, like, with my trading strategy, it's a little bit, it's very, very simple, right? And all I do is I just wait for breakouts, okay? And you can see that Ethereum was trading in a range today, right? So this was the current range for Ethereum, and you can see right now what's happening is we have broken down that range, right? So looking at this, you could have actually taken a short from this level right over here back down to these lows, okay? Because whenever a coin, like, it doesn't have to just be Ethereum, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all these coins, they go through three phases, right? We have the expansion, the accumulation, and then we have the distribution, right? So currently we were just consolidating throughout this level, right? And then we actually broke below this zone, and now it's looking like Ethereum is coming down quite nicely here. Because looking at this chart, I want to show you guys something. Ethereum broke below this level here. So when looking at this chart right now, we had a clear range over here for Ethereum, okay? So if you look at this, this is the range that Ethereum was trading in. And now we're trading above it, but we haven't broken back above this level here, 32.75. So once Ethereum breaks above 32.75, then we can be like, okay, the market is flipping bullish now. Then we can potentially look for longs. But until then, we can't really look for anything. We have to just really look for shorts because the market is still bearish. Okay. Yeah. So let's see what happens. Okay. So we are currently just short on Bitcoin, and then Solana. I want to quickly speak about Solana because before we go into the next section, but essentially I'm looking to short this as well because you can see we did actually just break below here for Solana. But what I want to do is wait for this 1 hour candle to close, and then I'll essentially take a short back down to these lows. So Solana can dump quite hard here, another 15%. Okay, so currently it's still quite bearish, guys, on the market. The market still looks weak towards me. So let's see what happens here. And if you guys do need updates, make sure you do follow on my Twitter. So I basically go through, I post setups every day. So you can see you would have entered the setup with me. We speak about different chart setups. So make sure you guys do check that out. It is in the description. And essentially, you can also be taking the trades that I'm taking. Yeah, so I try to keep it as transparent as possible, where I do show all my setups throughout the journey that I'm taking you guys on. So yeah, make sure you guys do check that out. But yeah, that is Bitcoin, and then obviously Ethereum. You know, if Ethereum starts closing back below 31.43, it's just going to be huge downside. I do have some targets here of 24.88. So I do think that we can see it as low as that. So it's going to be quite interesting, guys, to see how the market turns out here. So let's see what happens. But yeah, I want to quickly go over the Bitcoin dominance chart, right? So if we look at Bitcoin dominance chart, this essentially is why Bitcoin is so strong, right? If you look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin's still within the 60,000 ranges, where Ethereum's dumped way harder than Bitcoin. The altcoins have dumped way harder than Bitcoin. So if you check crypto bubbles, if you look at the weekly, look at all of these coins, right? Every single coin here has dumped more than 20%. Okay. So except for Ondo, and I'll speak about Ondo just now after at the end. But essentially, if you guys did remember, I did post a setup for Ondo around about 2 weeks ago, and we did actually take that spot trade, which I will cover just now. But look at the market, guys. It's absolutely bearish. I mean, everything's down over 30%, and that was due to the war in in Ukraine. Israel and Iran. Okay, so I mean, it's not looking good. There's been a whole bunch of conflicts with that, and you know, it was unexpected. It was definitely unexpected, but also the market was really overextended, and that is why we are seeing a massive dump here. But what is important to note is that this chart right here, so Bitcoin dominance chart, the weekly time frame closed really strong here, and it's looking like Bitcoin dominance still has a bit of room here. We could potentially see 58% for Bitcoin dominance within the next couple of days here. So I mean, I do think that there's a lot more downside in the short term here for Bitcoin. I mean, and Ethereum and all the altcoins. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so obviously right now, just being patient, just in the short here for Bitcoin, and then just waiting for Solana short as well. So yeah, make sure you guys do check my Telegram out. I mean, my Twitter. Make sure you guys check it out. And then also you can follow my ideas over here. I do post all my setups here on TradingView. My name is just CryptoNinja123. Have a look at that. I do post every single setup that I do trade over here. You can see this is what I was speaking about earlier with Bitcoin. Okay, so make sure you guys do check it out. It's just something that, you know, if you guys like my style of trading, then you can just trade with me, and we can make money together. So that's the whole point of this channel. Essentially, that is what I'll be doing throughout this channel. So make sure you guys do like this video and subscribe if you guys are new. And also, you can message me on Telegram and all these different socials, so I can help you guys with your trading career. Okay, so Solana is looking good, guys. Because remember, this channel, and throughout this live stream, I will be taking trade setups, but we will be just monitoring what we got going over here, and obviously I'll be looking at some other tokens throughout this live stream. So make sure you guys do stay for those. Okay, so the first thing, the next section I do want to talk about is the meme coins. Okay, so basically this is on the Solana ecosystem, and essentially you can see all these new coins that are getting minted right now, and you can see it's just updating. Okay, and essentially what you can do is you can do it by market cap. You can do it by creation time. So creation time, obviously the newest coins that are coming out right now, ascending order to descending order. So essentially, this website you can literally just use for to look at certain tokens on Solana. Okay, so you can see that all these meme tokens are coming out, and you can be like the first to buy them, right? So make sure you guys do check this website out. I'm not like trying to shill it or anything, but essentially this website can help you guys with your meme coin journey, because there's a lot of coins that are obviously a lot of people are getting into, and you're never really early. So this website can make you quite early. And you can see, like, if you click over here, let's just choose a random one. You can actually buy it like on this website. So all you need to do is just connect your wallet over here. You can use Phantom, MetaMask, Solfair, Taurus, Ledger, and Wallet Connects. So yeah, those are this wallet is something that I'm going to be looking at, guys. So make sure you guys do check out. This is in the description. It's called Pump.fun, and you can see there is also obviously people speaking. It shows you the holder distribution. Yeah, and you can buy it straight away here. So it's really cool. So make sure you guys do check it out. It's way easier than actually going on Jupiter and Dex Screener and all these other websites where you can actually just buy on here. Okay, so very cool. Make sure you guys check it out. This will be in the description, so check it out, guys. And you can see over here, this is the June overview, so the Pump fund fees. So you can see that the volume is just increasing, right, on Pump Fund. You can see it started March 2nd, and it's just been ripping, right? So a lot of people have been using it, and you can just see it's just one of those, it's very user friendly. Obviously it looks a little bit memey, to be honest with you, but it's really user friendly. All you need to do is just connect your wallet, and that is obviously why they've been doing really well. And it shows you all the revenue over here. So yeah, have a look, guys. It makes life a lot easier, to be honest with you. So let's see how this plays out. But yeah, make sure you guys do check out the site. Very cool. And it obviously has a lot of Solana wallets. Yeah, so Phantom is probably my favorite. I don't really use MetaMask for Solana, to be honest with you. I prefer using Phantom. I just prefer it. And obviously it's a little bit easier than MetaMask, because with MetaMask it gets a little bit confusing. But yeah, have a look at this, guys. It's just one of those things that people need to make sure that they're wary of. Okay, so let's see how this plays out. But yeah. And if you guys have any questions throughout this live, make sure you guys do. You can just send it in the Twitter or the YouTube, wherever you guys are, and make sure you guys just let me know what your thoughts are on the market. Okay, so the next section, guys. Before I go into that, before I go into the next section, I just want to quickly have a look at Solana and Bitcoin. You can see that we are getting that nice move here. So guys, this is why you guys should be following me, because you will be getting these updates, right? You will be getting these every single day, and this will be sent throughout my Telegram, my YouTube. So make sure you guys do check out my my content. Okay, so we look like Solana is also going to come down here. Nice little dump. So yeah, but obviously we will be doing a little bit more live trading just now, but I want to quickly go through this because I want to show you guys that the market is obviously dumping quite hard right now. But yeah, it looks good, guys. Solana looks really good. Nice break of trend line, a bit of structure shift here. We should see a bit more downside. Okay, so it looks really clean. Let's see how this plays out. And then the next section is obviously TON. Okay, so if you guys have been following me for a while, I've been speaking about TON on my Telegram. I mean my Twitter here. I've been speaking about TON for a while now, and basically also TAO, all of these different projects. But essentially, TON is one of the projects that I'm really bullish on. Okay, so you can see that if we look at TON, this is their current roadmap. You can see they are currently on the cross-chain bridge parts, the stablecoin toolkits. They're doing Ethereum BNB bridge, cross-chain bridge wallets. TON Teleport, TON Browser. So this is their current, and then the fourth quarter is where they're going to be doing scalability and speed showcase. Then they're going to do the Gateway conference, and then the third quarter they'll be doing TON and Telegram, TON Space, Wallet Pay, Believers. So I'm going to be covering quite a lot of content with TON, and I do think that you guys shouldn't be overlooking what TON has doing, guys. So like it's really crazy. So they are currently in this quarter over here. and they're looking at these types of things, right? So there's a lot of things happening within the TON ecosystem, and I do think that TON is the next coin to move. So make sure you guys do check it out. If we look at the current price of TON over here, we look at the monthly chart. It's just really, really bullish. We had a nice retracement back down to 5, but the monthly chart looking good, and also the 7-day chart looking really, really good. So TON, one of those coins that people should be looking at. I am really, really bullish on TON, and basically you can see that they're doing a lot of updates, and essentially it's a decentralized layer 1 blockchain developed in 2018 by encrypted messages platform Telegram. So this is the Telegram coin. The project was then abandoned, taken over by TON Foundation, renamed Telegram Open Network to the Open Network. Okay, so since 2020, the technology has been developing thanks to non-commercial group of supporters and an independent community of enthusiasts who called themselves the TON Foundation. Okay, so basically, their coin, why they're doing so well is obviously because we all know that Telegram, everyone uses Telegram for crypto, right? Telegram groups, Telegram communities, Telegram signals groups, everyone that is in crypto, that is in trading, love Telegram. And personally, I use Telegram for all my communities as well because of the fact how so easy, so user friendly, it's so simple to use, and a lot of people love it compared to other platforms. Like, I mean, WhatsApp is more for messaging, whereas Telegram, you can actually like build yourself on there. You can build a community. You can make different groups, subsets. So you can see that the total value locked is 160 million, which is absolutely crazy. And this is the volume is really, really good. They've raised around about 1.7 billion. You can see that it's just I'm really bullish on TON right now, and you can see over here Telegram ad platform to launch via TON blockchain. So basically, on the 28th of Feb, Telegram channel owners will start receiving 50% of all advertising revenue generated in their channel, which is really, really bullish, guys. So that is why we saw that massive run up within TON's ecosystem because of that. So basically, online messaging application Telegram has announced the launch of its own platform, which is built on the TON blockchain. Okay, so starting in March, Telegram channel owners in over 100 countries can start receiving financial rewards from their work after the ad platform opens for advertising. So channel owners will start receiving 50% more total advertising revenue generated by Telegram from displaying ads in their channels. Okay, according to the announcement of 𝗕𝗫𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, the founder of CEO of Telegram. So this is bullish, guys. Like people that are, and this was the price. Yeah, this was the price. When was this? Yeah, February. So since they announced this, guys, what happened to TON? If we look at TON, so it was at $2, right? Since they announced it, and now it's at $7. So I do think that we'll have a look at the chart just now. We can maybe go a little bit deeper into the TON ecosystem, but I mean, it's just really, really bullish, guys. Like, this is really, really strong because it gives more people the use case of actually, using Telegram. If they can earn rewards from using Telegram, it's just so strong, right? So a lot of people are moving to Telegram from their previous other channels. So make sure you guys do check out the TON ecosystem. I think it's really, really bullish. The community is awesome. The founder is really, really strong and involved in crypto. So yeah, let's see how this coin plays out. But essentially, let's see. Okay, so if you guys did just join, welcome to the session today. We obviously speaking about we went over meme coins. We're going over TON right now, and we are currently in a short for Bitcoin as well. Okay, so Solana as well, we took a short. So like I said, guys, if you do enjoy this live stream, make sure you guys do comment, and obviously if you guys are interested in all these signals, make sure you guys give me a follow on Twitter here. Very, very simple. All you have to do is just click the follow button over here. But essentially, I will be giving you guys all of this content for free, right? So that's the main thing. Everything that I do is just going to be for free. And you guys would have been in this short setup with me today because I did post this exact setup this morning. Okay, so yeah, so if you guys did just join, welcome. Make sure you guys do subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing live trading every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, so I will be doing live trading throughout the week, and I will be setting signals on my my Twitter. So make sure you guys do give me a follow. But let's go back straight to the TON ecosystem. So basically, yeah, I mean, like I said, with the TON ecosystem, it's just really, really strong. You can see that, people. Yeah, so Telegram has around about 196 million daily active users and 800 million monthly active users. So according to the data, so I mean, this is so strong, guys. Like, I mean, we all know that Telegram is massive, and this is like a no-brainer that a lot of people would get involved in such a coin, and just because they're giving out rewards to people now, it just gives you more incentive to actually hold the TON token, right? You can buy this coin on pretty much any exchange. You can see over here, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, all of these different exchanges, pretty much everyone. If you guys do need links, I do have links in my description. You will be able to get fees reduced, and obviously some different. So at Binance, OKX, and BitGet, I will be giving you guys a good fee reduction. So make sure you guys do use those links. Those are in the description. Very, very simple to use. You just sign up a new account, and then you can buy TON within those platforms. So yeah, guys, this is looking really good. TON, make sure you guys check it out. And you'll see over here, this is just the blockchain data. You can see that obviously right now the supply TON is really, really crazy. The fees burn per day, so it's really, really bullish, guys. Like the amount of accounts over 6 months. Let's have a look. Look at the exponential growth here. If we have a look at, let me just move all of this to from the beginning, so we can just see how this has grown, right? So if we look at this right now, look at this exponential fees, exponential growth. Total coins burned per day, it's been also exponential. Total coins minted per day. This doesn't really mean much, so this doesn't really have to be bullish in terms of like the graph. The accounts, I mean, look at this, right? The counts have gone exponential, right? Obviously, throughout crypto, crypto is one of those investments that a lot of people are just using Telegram, right? So people only use Telegram for crypto data. So yeah, have a look at this, guys. On-chain active wallets, it's just really, really strong. Active wallets monthly, liquid stating, NFTs. So yeah, have a look, guys. It's really, really good. Something to look at. Okay. So that is TON. We went over this, and yeah, right now, before I go back into the live trading, and if you guys did just join, welcome to the channel. If you guys are new here, basically on this channel, I will be doing live trading. I will be going over coins that I'm buying, spot coins, futures trading, a whole bunch of different stuff that I'm sure you guys will like. And yeah, so let's get back to the current market and what's happening with Bitcoin right now. Okay, so like I said, guys, we did take a short this morning. It has taken quite a while, but have a look at the risk to reward in this setup, right? So the risk to reward for this trade is at 1:11. Okay, so you can see my stop loss above this level over here is really, really tight. Okay, my take profits, these levels are my take profit levels. So just hit TP1 over here at 64.70. The next TP is 63.800, and then final TP will be this low right over here. Okay, so obviously really, really looking really, really bearish. And then same thing with Solana. Right now, Solana, if you guys did just join, I was speaking in the beginning, like we were looking at these cells, and we took these cells live because price broke this trend line over here. And I do think that we will see a bit more downside here today, guys. The market is looking a little bit shit, to be honest with you, if you excuse my language. But the nice thing about futures trading, you can actually trade both ways, right? So that is something that you guys will learn in this channel. I will be teaching you guys my strategy that I do trade. Okay, so we did take a sell here. The first take profit is going to be at 143 because that is your resistance. So this just could be a fake out to the downside. But I don't think that is the case, to be honest. I do think that there's a bit more downside, especially if Bitcoin's looking like this, right? I mean, Bitcoin's just looking terrible, right? There's no reason that this is just gonna pump here. So, like I said, this trade setup was really simple. If you guys have been in technical analysis for a long time, you know that a retest trade is way more accurate than a breakout trade. So we obviously had a retest to this high and down. Okay, so that is something to look at. And then also Ethereum. Have a look at Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum is about to break down here, right? So we might actually be able to take a setup here for Ethereum very shortly. Okay, so make sure you guys do stay here. I will be live for a bit longer today. I want to see how this plays out. So I was actually looking at a short today. If you guys joined in the beginning, it was a simple play, right? You look at the 1 hour, the 30 minutes and the 1 hour, and then you look at the current range, right? So the range was this level here, and then this high over here. Okay, so we had this high and then this low. Right now, the range was very clean. All we need to do is wait for price to close below this level, and then we take sells, right? So we could have actually taken sells from this level over here, but I didn't actually. I was more just focused on the Bitcoin trade and just took that. But essentially, you could have made a 3% gain. And we're speaking about it, right? We're speaking about it the whole day. Okay, so there's a lot more downside today, guys. I'm afraid so. If you guys are holding spot, then it doesn't really matter, right? Because if you guys are holding spot, then the thing is, you can just be getting at lower prices here. I do think that if Bitcoin breaks this low over here, we can potentially see more downside, guys. Like 60K, I don't think that is going to be the low before the halving. We have around about 3 more days for the halving. So for 3 more days. So we'll see what happens. But essentially, if Bitcoin breaks this low, I think we can come a lot lower here, guys. Yeah, so we can potentially come back down to 52K. I'm not saying that we will, but I mean, I'm quite bearish on the current market. Obviously with the war and everything, then obviously how the retest came back up to this level. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I want to speak about the coin that if you guys did join my channel late, we bought a couple coins the other day. 𝗕𝗫𝗓𝗦 was the one. Let's have a look here. Let me see. I can't really find it right now, but let's have a look. 𝗕𝗫𝗓𝗦. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so basically, guys, this was my setup for 𝗕𝗫𝗓𝗦. So I was looking for 2 bar setups. Okay, so essentially, this was the trade. Okay, so we took, this is for spot, guys. So on this channel, you won't only be doing futures, you'll be learning how to actually invest in spot. But if you look at this, I bought some 𝗕𝗫𝗓𝗦 right over here. And then I said that price could potentially come back down to 0.67. And then I bought some more over here. Okay, so we obviously, our average cost is around about 0.74. So from entry price, we are up around about 25%. It actually almost hit our TP1, very close. But I do think that I will be holding this to around about 1.5. 𝗕𝗫𝗓𝗦 is one of those coins we spoke about, it, the real world assets. One of those coins are going to do really well in the bull run. So make sure you guys check out 𝗕𝗫𝗓𝗦 as well. And then obviously we're going to go over TON as well, because I do think that I'm obviously really bullish on TON. But let's have a look at the chart and see what we can see here. Okay, so let's first look at this and see how bullish this is, right? There's nothing bearish about this. This has been going in an uptrend since last year. Since here, pretty much. This was the start of the uptrend. And then what actually happened is right now we saw a nice daily candle closure here. So we obviously took out those lows. And right now we are going to currently be retesting this daily close here. Okay, so if we have a look at this, let's have a look here. So if we have a look right now, we can see that we are coming down a little bit, but there's nothing to be afraid of here. I do think that TON is one of those coins that you can look to accumulate within this level here. So if Bitcoin starts to dump quite nicely, then I'll probably look to accumulate TON at this low here, back up to this high, with a stop loss just below this level here, or you can even look to do it at this level, okay? Because we spoke about TON's ecosystem a bit earlier, and we can see that I'm very, very bullish on it. I do think that there's a lot more upside with TON, and obviously what's happening right now with the ecosystem. Okay, so let's see how this plays out. But right now, what I'm looking at is just Bitcoin and Solana. So we are short on these two coins, and we'll see how it plays out. I will. Basically, I spoke about the USDT dominant charts looking good for a retest of the previous resistance at 4.53. This is on the daily time frame, so it may take a while to play out. But if this level holds, there may be more downside for crypto this week. Watch this level closely, and that is exactly what we're getting right now. Look at this. If we play it, let's go back. Yeah, it's at 4.72. I don't know why it's not updating. It should be updating all the time. But essentially, this is beautiful retest of this previous level. Okay, so this is bearish for crypto, right? If this level were to get broken, then obviously I'll be like, okay, Bitcoin and ETH and crypto is potentially gonna pump, right? But because we're trading above this level, it's just really, really bearish for crypto right now. So I do think that we do have more downside for crypto. It's there, and that is why we did take a short for Bitcoin. So, and also Solana, yeah. Okay, so Solana did hit TP1. So let's see how this plays out. Yeah, so all these setups I will be sharing in my Telegram, yeah. And then have a look at this. Okay, so Ethereum did break down here. We could have actually taken that. We could have actually taken that level. Didn't actually see that. We broke below this trend line here. We could have taken sells back down to these lows, yeah. Yeah, so Ethereum can drop another 4%. Not looking good here. The market looks like there's a lot more downside, guys. Looks like there's a lot more downside. Okay. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. See how this plays out. what's happening here on the daily time frame. So the daily we have render up 16%. Core has been up 56, 15-minute time frame. A lot of coins are down more than 1%. So obviously this is why we did take shorts. Market's not looking great today, guys. It's looking really weak. So this is why we do want to abuse the market by taking shorts when the market is in our favor, right? So if we bearish on the day, right, we should be looking at sells, right? So I don't think looking at buys is correct for the current market. Yeah. So let's see. But yeah, I will be going live for another 5 minutes here. I do appreciate you guys joining today. I hope you guys have had a good session. I hope you guys have learned a lot of what I've been doing. And then obviously make sure you guys do follow my channels because I do go live Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and obviously I post on my Twitter every single day. So make sure you guys do check that out. And then obviously I will have a Telegram community where I will be posting up free signals, free setups, and everything like that. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. But essentially, looking good right now. Yeah, looks clean. Looks like the market's still got a lot more downside. But yeah, let's see. What's you guys' thoughts on the market? Are you guys looking at any setups? Let me know in the comments. Right, I can look at some setups for you guys. If you guys are looking at any trades, because the market's not looking great, right? I mean, let's have a look here. Everything's dumping. TIA, 𝗕𝗫𝗓, pretty much everything. Like you can't really say anything's bullish right now. And this is a retracement that we're going to get, right? Before the halving, typically we get that 20 to 30% retracement, right? And that is exactly what's happening right now. So if you guys are worried about this retracement and you guys did buy a bit high, don't stress about it, right? Because crypto is still one of those. It's still here for a long time, and I do think that if the market does come lower, it's actually you're getting a better price, right? You're getting a more opportunity to actually get in the market, right? Because right now, if the market carries on going down, then you can just accumulate at these levels, right? You don't really want to be accumulating at these levels here at 3,600, right? You're getting a huge discount here. I mean, if you bought, it's already down. Ethereum went down 21%. So you're getting a 21% discount on price. So if you think about it like that, it just makes life easier, right? You're getting a discount on coins, right? Pretty much what you're doing. So yeah, let's see what you got going here. Yeah, this setup was clean. For Bitcoin, we did a 30x leverage. So we hit around about 120% on that trade. It looks like we got a lot more downside here, guys. The market's not looking good. Not looking good. But let's see how this holds. We will be obviously taking shorts throughout the whole day. So yeah, let's see. But I will within like the next 2 minutes here, I will be ending the live. I do hope you guys did enjoy the session today. I hope you guys did take this sell here for Solana. We are currently in profits of around about 1% here. Oh, more, sorry, 3%. Yeah, it's just looking really weak here. Looking really weak. You can move your stop loss to break even if you guys are on the setup, and then just let this run. Because if this breaks this level here at 143.44, we're going to see a lot more downside down to 135 and potentially 125. Yeah, look how low it went. It went to 116 the other day. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, the market's not looking good at the moment. But yeah, let me know if you guys did enjoy the session. I hope you guys are subscribed to the channel, because it just makes it easier for you guys to get updates on when I'm going live. And then remember, obviously, check out my Telegram, my Twitter account over here. This is where I post all of my setups every single day. I post updates on certain market trends, certain coins. Yeah, so make sure you check it out. It's going to be interesting journey. We will have a Telegram group that's going to be launched, where I will be obviously giving out signals and market updates. So make sure you guys do check this out, because this is something that you guys won't be able to get anywhere else, where free content of free signals and free market updates. Obviously, a lot of influencers do this type of stuff, but with me, it will be a little bit more transparent, where I tell you how much I'm using, what leverage I'm using, and obviously what type of setup that we're looking at. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the session today. I hope you guys had a good time, and make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel, like the stream, and send it out to all your friends that are in crypto. Because the thing is, what's important is, if the market's dumping and you're holding spot, you can make money on the futures side, right? So you can actually trade against it, right? You can trade going down as well. So that is something that a lot of people are misunderstanding, is that obviously, the market's bearish right now, but you can take sells, you can take short positions for the market, right? So just think about it like that, and then you can buy at lower prices. You can use the profits that you're making from shorting the market, like now, to take profits on the downturns. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining today. I hope you guys did have a good session, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Thanks. Peace, guys.